Hey guys, so a lot of people have been asking, how do you set up custom positions and then play them against the chess.com bots? You can see here I'm playing this position against Martin. All I have to do is make a move. Martin's going to respond and I can play and see what happens. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Let's get started. All right, guys, so step number one is go to the chess.com analysis page. There's a link in the description. You can click on that. Or if you're on the home page of chess.com, you come over here to the left, scroll down to learn, go over to analysis, click on that. It will take you to the analysis board right here. You're going to go to setup position over here on the top right. You're going to click on that, and then you can set up whatever position you would like. Usually, actually, let me move my face here out of this. Sorry, that's not my face. Let me move my face so you can see exactly what I'm clicking on. If you click on this trash can icon over here, it'll clear the board. That's usually how I get started. And you can click on whatever piece. Let's say we want to put the king here and we want to surround it by rooks. And I don't know, we're going to give the bot that we're playing against, let's just say a bunch of bishops or something. Okay, this is just a silly example. You get the idea, right? You can do whatever position you want to do. Okay, so let's say this is the position that we want. All right, so let me actually move my face out of the way so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And actually, I have all my notifications popping up in the way. So I'm going to click on the notifications here and clear them so that they go away. And you'll see at the very bottom right here, this button, practice versus computer. Okay, so you're going to click on that. And it's going to give you this position. Let me move my face back. And it's going to default to putting you against Stockfish. You can see it says maximum 3200 rated, which is probably, maybe that's what you want, but it might not be what you want. So the next part is going to be to go down to the bottom, and there's a little button over here. Looks like a computer screen. You see that? It says change bot. You'll click on that. And now you can choose. You can choose whichever bot you want. Again, my face is just in the way this video. You can see all the different ones. Sometimes I'll do Martin, but you can do whoever you want. So let's just pick, I don't know who this is. Fatima, we'll choose. And here we go. I've got a custom position playing against Fatima. It's my turn. I can make a move. And she's rated 2000. I'm going to lose this position. It's mate in 6. But you get the idea. That's how you do it. And you can have fun and come up with some interesting positions. If you come up with something that you think I would like to see, send it my way. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.